In the ever-evolving world of messaging applications, WhatsApp stands out as one of the most popular and widely used platforms globally. With its user-friendly interface and end-to-end encryption, WhatsApp provides a secure environment for communication. However, one aspect that has intrigued many users is the ability to retrieve deleted messages and media. Imagine being able to see what someone sent you, only to delete it moments later. Is it possible? With the emergence of WhatsApp bots, the answer is yes. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the world of WhatsApp bots and learn how to harness their power to unveil deleted content. Before we delve into the intricacies of retrieving deleted messages, let's first understand what a WhatsApp bot is and how to deploy one. A WhatsApp bot is a software program designed to automate tasks and interact with users on the WhatsApp platform. These bots can perform a wide range of functions, from providing information to conducting transactions. To deploy a WhatsApp bot, you will need to follow a few simple steps which I have already shown in my past videos. I will leave a link in the description box, as well as card above. Click on it and watch how to deploy the WhatsApp robot. To know if your bot has been deployed successfully, type the word menu in the group or on the bot number you used to deploy with. It will generate several commands that are offered by the bot. Now that you have deployed the WhatsApp bot, it's time to set up the anti-delete feature. This feature allows users to retrieve deleted messages and media sent to them on WhatsApp. To activate the anti-delete feature, you will need to use a specific command called delete. The delete command offers several options, including delete P. This option sends the deleted content to your chat or pseudo connected to the number. Delete G. This option resends the deleted content to the group where it was deleted from by the bot. Delete off. This option disables the delete command and prevents it from working. Once you have chosen the desired option for the anti-delete feature, it's time to put it into action. Let's say you opt for delete P, which sends the deleted content to your inbox. Now, whenever someone deletes a message or media they sent to you, the WhatsApp bot will resend the deleted content to your chat. To illustrate how it works, let's go through a simple scenario. Set the anti-delete feature to delete P. By just typing delete P in the group, send the message on WhatsApp. Delete the message immediately after sending it. Wait for the WhatsApp bot to resend the deleted message to your chat. This process is automatic and fast. You can see it works okay. WhatsApp bots equipped with the anti-delete feature have transformed the way users interact with the platform, offering a powerful tool for retrieving deleted messages and media. By deploying a WhatsApp bot and setting up the anti-delete feature, users can gain valuable insights into conversations, uncovering hidden content that would otherwise remain inaccessible. Whether for personal use or professional purposes, the ability to retrieve deleted messages provides users with a newfound sense of control and transparency in their interactions on WhatsApp. As technology continues to evolve, WhatsApp bots stand at the forefront of innovation, empowering users to navigate the digital landscape with ease and confidence. So, next time you find yourself wondering what was deleted from your chat, remember that with a WhatsApp bot, the truth is just a command away. Use it wisely and stay curious. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell for more tech wizardry. Until next time, keep those messages in sight.